Transferring files via Core FTP. This tutorial will show you how to transfer files to and from a server via Core FTP. First, we need to connect to the server. You will need to configure Core FTP with the account information prior to attempting to connect to the server. For more information on configuring the account information, refer to the tutorial Configuring Accounts in Core FTP. Click the Site Manager button. Click the Connect button. Next, we will upload a file, but first, let's change to the remote directory where we want to upload the file. Double-click the CGI bin directory. Before we transfer a file, let's briefly discuss transfer modes. There are two modes that can be used to transfer files. Classic Mac OS, Windows DOS, and Unix-based systems, such as Linux and OS X, all have different hidden characters that symbolize a new line in text files. When transferring text files, such as scripts, web pages, HTML, and other text documents from one system to another, you will need to transfer them using ASCII mode, so that these characters are converted so that it is compatible with the new system. This tool will select ASCII mode for transfers. Transferring other files, such as images, compiled applications, etc., need to be transferred using binary mode, as the attempt to convert them will corrupt the files when they're transferred. This tool will select binary mode for transfers. In most cases, the default auto mode works fine for detecting which file types need to be transferred in ASCII mode and which ones need to be transferred using binary mode. Now, click the file you wish to upload to the server. Click the Upload button. You may also right-click the file and select Upload As if you wish to transfer and rename the file in one step. If renaming the file is not necessary, you may right-click and choose Upload or simply drag the file from the left window pane, your local machine, to the right window pane, the server. Next, let's change the permissions on the file. New files will not be executable by default. CGI scripts will need this permission granted in order to work. Right-click the file. Select Properties. The Properties option is the last option in this menu, therefore not visible in this tutorial. Each checkbox to grant the permission. Click the OK button. Now let's go back to the document root for the site and upload our images directory. Double-click the .dot folder to navigate back to the parent directory. Click the directory. Since there already is an images directory on the server, a new directory will not be created. Instead, the files in our local directory will be uploaded to the existing one on the server. Any file names already existing for files in the directory will be overwritten automatically. Click the Upload button. Next, let's download one of the existing files in the remote images directory onto our local machine. Double-click the directory. This file was uploaded when we transferred the contents of our local images directory. Let's download this file. Click the Download button. Entire directories can also be downloaded in the same manner as they are uploaded. Multiple files or directories within a directory can be selected to upload or download by holding the Control key and clicking the file or directory to add it to the selection prior to initiating the transfer. Congratulations! You now know how to transfer files to and from a server via Core FTP.